Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to install PHP on Ubuntu. PHP is a general purpose scripting language that is well suited for web development because we can embed PHP scripts into HTML. Here are the steps we will perform for installation. First step is to update the system. Second step is to install the required packages. In the third step, we will go through some optional packages that we might need. And the last step is to verify the installation. For this demo, I am using Ubuntu 22, but you can also follow these steps on all those Linux distributions where we can use apt or apt-get to install packages. For instance, here are some of those Linux distributions where you can follow the same sequence of steps to install PHP. Mostly, people use PHP as part of the LAMP stack along with Apache Web Server and MySQL. I have also created videos on installing MySQL and Apache. I have added the links in the description in case you also want to install them along with PHP. Now, let's head to the terminal screen and follow the PHP installation steps one by one. The first step is to update the system. Okay, system is updated. The next step is to install the required packages. Let's install the required packages. Sudo apt install PHP. Let's also install a module that we need for Apache. I would recommend you to install it as well in case you need it in future. Lib apache 2 mod PHP. Okay, so PHP is installed successfully. In the next step, we will go through some optional packages that we might need. So the first optional package name is PHP CLI. I like using the command line, so that's why I will install it. Sudo apt install PHP CLI. We have installed PHP CLI successfully. Now, since we have installed this PHP CLI, we can run PHP commands on this command line interface. So let's check the version of PHP we installed previously. Okay, so we have installed this version of PHP that is available by default. The next package name is PHP CGI. You can also execute PHP scripts without installing the Apache PHP module. This is the name of Apache PHP module. So if you don't install this, you can also install this package and then you will be able to run PHP scripts. Okay, so I'm not going to install this because I have already installed this package. Now the next package name is PHP MySQL. If you want to use MySQL with PHP, then you must install this package. So let me go ahead and install this. Sudo apt install PHP MySQL. Okay, it has been installed. Now the next optional package name is PHP PD SQL. If you want to use PostgreSQL with PHP, then you must install this package. So I will not install it, but just to let you know that you can install this package if you want to use PostgreSQL with PHP. The next step is to verify if we have installed PHP successfully. By the way, we have already checked that, but let's run that command again. Okay, so PHP is installed successfully. I hope you will also be able to install PHP on your system without any issues. If there are any issues, you can add a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.